Welcome to Amazing Century, where we explore the most advanced agricultural machines in the world. Today, we will delve into the colossal harvesting machines that are revolutionizing farming practices, enhancing productivity, and reducing labor for farmers everywhere. The Braud New Holland 9090X is one of the most advanced grape harvesting machines on the market. Equipped with a powerful FPT engine producing 182 horsepower. This machine features an innovative SDC shaking system that allows for efficient harvesting with a remarkable collection rate of up to 99%. Its compact design enables easy maneuverability in tight vineyard spaces, making it ideal for various terrains. The large hopper capacity of up to 2,000 liters minimizes downtime for unloading, allowing for continuous operation during peak harvest times. Additionally, the robust cleaning fan ensures that harvested grapes are free from leaves and debris, maintaining high-quality standards. The hydraulic suspension system on the front wheels provides maximum comfort for the operator during long hours of work. The IMS 2.0 technology optimizes engine performance and load management intelligently, enhancing fuel efficiency. The Oxbo 6420 is a specialized olive harvesting machine designed to efficiently harvest olives from high-density orchards, capable of replacing up to 140 workers in the harvesting process. This machine utilizes a powerful shaking mechanism that gently detaches olives from trees without causing damage to the branches or unripe fruit. Its advanced cleaning system effectively removes leaves and dirt before depositing the olives into a large storage container, ensuring high-quality harvested products. The Oxbo 6420 is engineered to perform well on challenging terrains, making it suitable for various growing conditions. Its compact size allows it to navigate easily between closely spaced trees, maximizing productivity in limited spaces. The robust engine ensures consistent performance throughout the harvest season while minimizing fuel consumption. Additionally, safety features such as automatic braking systems and operator safety sensors enhance user confidence during operation. The Oxbo 9220 is a cutting-edge coffee harvesting machine designed specifically for high-volume coffee production. It excels in steep terrains and can adjust its height to accommodate coffee plants at various elevations. The proprietary shaking technology effectively separates ripe coffee cherries from the branches while preserving the integrity of both the trees and unripe cherries. With its large hopper capacity, the Oxbo 9220 can operate continuously without frequent stops for unloading, significantly increasing productivity during peak harvest periods. This machine also includes advanced safety features such as automatic braking and safety sensors to protect operators during use. Its user-friendly control system allows operators to manage various functions effortlessly, making it accessible even for those new to machinery operation. The powerful engine guarantees stable performance throughout the harvest season while optimizing fuel efficiency. The Monero 20125 is an advanced hazelnut harvesting machine designed for efficiency and speed in the collection process. utilizing proprietary shaking technology. This machine gently dislodges hazelnuts from trees without causing damage to either the nuts or the trees themselves. With a large storage capacity, the Monero 20125 can operate continuously over extended periods without frequent unloading interruptions. Its intuitive control system makes it easy for operators to navigate various terrains while maintaining optimal performance even in adverse weather conditions. The design incorporates advanced cleaning systems that ensure harvested nuts are free from debris before they enter storage containers, thus maintaining quality standards. Additionally, its compact size allows it to maneuver easily through narrow rows of hazelnut trees, maximizing productivity in tight spaces. The John Deere 6R series is renowned for its versatility as a multifunctional tractor capable of performing numerous agricultural tasks ranging from tilling soil to pulling harvesting equipment. With a powerful engine delivering exceptional performance across various terrains, these tractors are built to handle heavy-duty tasks efficiently. The intelligent control system allows operators to manage multiple functions seamlessly while ensuring optimal fuel efficiency during operation. The spacious cabin design provides comfort and reduces fatigue during long working hours in the field. John Deere offers a wide range of customizable attachments that enhance the tractor's capabilities, making it suitable for diverse farming needs, from planting crops to managing livestock operations. Its advanced hydraulic system ensures precise control over implements and attachments, enhancing overall productivity on farms. The Oxbo 7440 is a specialized berry harvesting machine designed for efficient collection of soft fruits like strawberries and blueberries with minimal damage to both plants and fruit. Featuring gentle shaking technology that detaches berries without bruising them, this machine ensures high-quality produce at harvest time. It operates effectively on varied terrain types and adapts well to different weather conditions, making it a reliable choice for berry farmers. The Oxbo 7440 boasts a large storage hopper that allows continuous operation without frequent unloading stops, ideal during peak harvest seasons when time is of the essence. Additionally, its integrated cleaning system removes leaves and debris prior to storage, ensuring that only clean berries are collected. The Co-Orchard Blueberry Harvester stands out as one of the most advanced machines specifically designed for blueberry harvesting with speed and efficiency at its core. Utilizing gentle shaking technology, this harvester detaches blueberries from plants without damaging them or harming unripe fruit still on the bush. Its adaptable design allows it to work effectively across various terrains, from flat fields to hilly landscapes, ensuring versatility in different farming environments. With a large storage capacity that minimizes downtime during peak harvest periods, this machine can operate continuously without frequent stops for unloading. Furthermore, CO's commitment to quality ensures that harvested blueberries are clean and ready for market thanks to an integrated cleaning system. The Monero 2095 is a versatile harvesting machine capable of handling multiple crop types including grains and small fruits with ease and efficiency. This machine features powerful shaking technology that gently separates crops from their plants while minimizing damage, ensuring high-quality yields at harvest time. Designed with user-friendliness in mind. Monero 2095 comes equipped with an intuitive control system that simplifies operation even in challenging conditions such as uneven terrain or inclement weather. Its large storage capacity enables long hours of continuous operation without frequent unloading. Thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Amazing Century for more exciting insights into agricultural technology.